Good morning, students. Now question number 5th and question number 5th. ABC is isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle and AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. And DEF is the midpoint of BC, BA and AC, so that the line segment ADEF bisect each other 90 degree. What is the meaning of that? Suppose this is a G point. Now we have to prove that EF and AD bisect each other at 90 degree. Then we have to prove that it is given AB equals to AC. Now we have to prove that EG equals to GF and AG equals to GD. Bisect means two equal part में divide करना. Now we have to prove that EG equals to GF and AG equals to GD, and this angle is 90 degree. We have to prove that. Okay, now according to question, AB and AC are equal. Suppose AB equals to 2x, then AC is also 2x because both are equal. Now F is the midpoint, so this is equals to x and this is also equals to x. E is a midpoint, then this is equals to x and this is also equals to x because equal part hai. Okay, now suppose BC equals to 2y and D is the midpoint, then this is equals to y and this is equals to y. यहाँ तक क्लियर होगा सबका because D is the midpoint, so y plus y 2y, this is 2y. Now we have to prove that EG equals to GF, and we know that E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of AC. Then from midpoint theorem, EF is parallel to BC because E is a midpoint, F is a midpoint, and line joining to the midpoint of any two side of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the third side. ये होता है. So EF equals to half of BC means EF equals to half of BC means half of 2y, and this is equals to y. So EF equals to y. This one equals to y. Okay. Now we have to prove that EG equals to GF. How to prove? Because it is given that EF is parallel to BC, then EG is also parallel to BD. देखो EF पैरेलल था BC के. सपोज ये लाइन है हमारे पास EF पैरेलल टू BC, तो उसका एक पार्ट सपोज EG पैरेलल होगा इसके एक पार्ट के. सो EG is parallel to BD. Okay, and E is the midpoint given in triangle ABD. We have to check in that triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD, E is midpoint of AB and EG is parallel to BD. Then converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint EG. Converse of midpoint theorem. G is the midpoint of AD. G is midpoint of AD. Okay, G is a midpoint of AD and EG equals to half of BD. This is the converse of midpoint theorem, and EG equals to BD equals to y upon 2, because we know that from converse of midpoint theorem E is the midpoint and EG is parallel to BD, then G is also a midpoint. And if G is also a midpoint, then from the midpoint theorem, EG equals to half of BD. So EG equals to Y upon 2. Similarly, F is the midpoint of AC, and in triangle ADC, F is the midpoint, FG is parallel to DC, then converse of midpoint theorem. Then the converse of a midpoint theorem, GF equals to half of DC and DC equals to Y, then GF equals to Y upon 2. Now EG equals to Y upon 2 and GF is also Y upon 2. Then G is the midpoint of EF. Yeah, ED bisect the EF. So GF equals to EG. First condition is proof. EF bisected by ED. Now next we have to prove that ED bisect and this angle is 90 degree. Now how to prove? We know that in triangle AGE, and triangle AGF, Y by 2, this is Y by 2, X AG common side, AG equals to AG common. First condition. Second condition, EG equals to FG equals to Y upon 2 both, and AE equals to AF equals to X given. Now triangle AGE congruent to triangle AGF by side property, then this angle and this angle is equal. Suppose this angle is X, suppose this angle is K, then this is also K by CPCT. Then angle AGE equals to angle AGF, suppose equals to K. Now we know that K plus K linear pair angle, K plus K equals to 180 linear pair angle, and 2K equals to 180, then K equals to 180 upon 2, 90 degrees. So this angle is 90. Now we have to prove that AG equals to GD, both are equal. So for that we have to join this. Okay, and now in this triangle, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AB. Then from midpoint theorem, DE is parallel to AC and DE equals to half of AC. ठीक है, from midpoint theorem, ED equals to half of AC, ED equals to half of AC. देखो D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint, and line joining to the midpoint of any two side of this triangle is ED is the half of AC. So ED equals to half of AC means half of 2x, and this is equals to x. So this is equals to x. Okay, now in triangle this and this, in triangle AGF and EGD, ED equals to AF equals to ED, both are equals to x. First condition. Second, GF equals to GE equals to y by 2. And the third, this angle equal vertically opposite angle EGF equals to angle DGE, each 90 degree vertically opposite angle. ठीक है, and a vertically opposite angle, then triangle EGF congruent to triangle FGA. EGF is congruent to DGE by which property? RHS property. Right angle, hypotenuse and any another side property. Now if it is congruent, then GD equals to AG, AG equals to GD by CP CT. Now AG equals to GD, AG equals to GD, EG equals to GF, then AD bisect EF. AD and EF bisect each other, and this is the 90 degree. Then AD and EF bisect each other 90 degree. Now question number 10th. ABCD is a kite and AB equals to AD and BC equals to CD. Then prove that the figure formed by joining to the midpoint of the sides in order is a rectangle. Suppose this is the midpoint E, midpoint F, midpoint G, midpoint H. Joining this, and now we have to prove that this is a rectangle. Okay, now how to prove that? Now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, E is the midpoint of AB, H is the midpoint of AD, then EH is parallel to BD, EH is parallel to BD, and EH equals to half of BD. Okay, according to situation, EH is half of BD from midpoint theorem. Okay, next in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, this one, F is the midpoint of BC, G is the midpoint of CD, and FG is parallel to BD, and FG equals to half of BD from midpoint theorem. Okay, now this is the quadrilateral. Opposite side of a quadrilateral, EH is parallel to BD and FH is parallel to BD. EH is parallel to BD and BD is parallel to FH. This implies that EH is parallel to FG, because suppose one line है, ये AB है, is parallel to CD, is parallel to EF, ये इसके parallel है, and CD is parallel to EF, then these two is also parallel. Same condition here. Then opposite side of a quadrilateral are parallel and equal, because we know that EH equals to half of BD and FG is also half of BD. Then EFGH is parallelogram. ठीक है, EFGH is a parallelogram because opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel. Properties of a parallelogram. देखो ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप तभी कर सकते हो जब आपको प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम पता हो. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ काइट, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर एंड रोम्बस. नाउ it is a parallelogram, but we have to prove that it is a rectangle. So we have to prove that each angle is 90 degree. Now how to prove that? We know that diagonals of a kite intersect each other at a 90 degree. So this is a 90, and we have to prove that with the help of this is a 90, because we know that the property of a kite, diagonals of a kite intersect at 90 degree. Now we have to prove that. We know that BD is parallel to EH. तो उसका एक पार्ट, सपोज दिस इज अ P and this is a Q and this is a R. We know that the sum part of this यानी PH is parallel to QR according to situation. Now similarly we have to prove that HG is parallel to AC, क्योंकि HG is parallel to AC from midpoint theorem, because H is a midpoint of AD and G is the midpoint of CD, then HG is parallel to AC. तो उसका एक पार्ट यानी HR is also parallel to PQ, and opposite side are parallel, then PQRH is parallelogram, and PQRH is a parallelogram, then opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal, then angle PHR is equals to angle PQR equals to 90 degree. So this is also a 90 degree. Similarly we can find here, but according to definition, a parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degree is called a rectangle. So EFGH is a parallelogram and EFGH is parallelogram, and angle EHD EHG is 90 degree. So EHGF is a rectangle, and we have to prove that. Thank you.